Hi everybody, this is Anna from Anna and Ivy, and I will show you how to use our Abstractum Mobile font, our animated font. So if you're not sure if this works for you and you use something else than Photoshop, Premiere Pro or After Effects, you can download the test file. You will find it in the description to try it out. So first of all, when you download the product, you will find these folders inside, and I will show you now how to use the animated font in Photoshop. So I would try to make an Instagram story format, and I have downloaded some images from Unsplash. Simply drag and drop it here, or your own image as you like. You can also add videos to Photoshop. So now I will go to the ABC, the animated ABC, and select my letters. Drag and drop, press enter, and now you can see nothing. This is because you have to open the timeline first. You will find the at window timeline, and now create video timeline. Please don't click on create frame animation. This is something different. So here we go. Now we can see that our animation is longer on the timeline than our image. So simply drag and drop it over here. And our letters are too big. So I will select every letter I've added to the file and press Command T or free transform. Scale it a bit. And here we go. Now I will move the letters around, and that's basically it at the moment. So now you have your letters and you have your animation. It takes sometimes a bit for the preview in Photoshop because Photoshop is not a real video application or video program, so please don't mind if this is taking a bit longer for the preview, and sometimes it's also stuttering a bit, but your export file will be clean and smooth. So as you can see, it's already animating. Here we go. So the next thing I want to show you is how to change the color. So you can work with these animated files like you would work with every other layer, or let's be more precise, with a smart object inside Photoshop. So you can use filters on top of these animation, you can blur them, whatever you like. So I will change the color now. Make a clipping mask by holding Alt and click here. And maybe we want to make it look white or black. Or you can change the hue as you like. Next one, again, Alt, clipping mask, and let's make this, for example, white. I will make this black so you can see it better. Now, what you can also do, you can change the opacity, of course. You can change the color, as I said before, sorry, and you can also mask the files. So I would recommend to use Quick Mask because you can't see every step of the animation when you mask. So simply create a mask, press Q, and then you are in the Quick Mask mode. Sorry. So take an eraser or brush and now you can see everything you make, let me say blue, you cannot see later. So now you can quick mask everything you want to remove. Let's say we will mask this flower out, not really precise, but only for the preview. So you can see what I'm doing here. Press Q again, then go to the mask, inverse. In this particular situation you have to inverse it and simply delete it. As you can see, it's not super precise, but I just wanted to show you how it looks like. So maybe I can make it more precise. Here we go. So when you move, sorry if you hear some stuff, because my neighbors are like, I don't know what they are doing, but it sounds a bit strange maybe for you. So these are my neighbors, say hello. So here you go. Now you've masked something out. You can mask everything out you like. Wait. So this will take a second. As you can see, the mask is working well, but it's not really precise. You can make it a bit better than me. So as I said before, you can use filters on top, whatever you like. And that's basically it. At the end, you only have to export and render your video, set the size you want, or use the size you've already made the file, and export it. That's it. Totally easy. Please, if you're not sure how to use it, use the test file we've uploaded inside of the description and then try it out first. You can use it in Photoshop and After Effects and Premiere and in Final Cut, but please try it out in Final Cut because I don't really know how the new versions of Final Cut work, so try it out. You should use it. It should work, sorry. It should work also in iMovie, but as I said before, please try it out first. So that's it. Have fun. Bye.